this is like one of my dream trucks, I would say.
One thing. Got me a hook, man.
Why are you so happy?
Because we're gonna go eat food.
What kind of food?
Korean food. This is the greatest day of my life. I've looked forward to this all week.
All week.
I'm too happy right now.
You're so happy because you got your favorite food right there.
Yeah.
What is that? Kimchi.
Yeah.
And that.
And this.
And the Korean barbecue.
What this be? This is like this. Okay, I'm gonna say this. No. This is Cheetos.
That's Cheetos. Oh, and that's the French fries.
And this is French fries dipped in hot sauce. It's McDonald's French fries. It's been sitting there for a good minute.
White people.
When did they get them?
Round 2. Fork. Chopstick. He has round 3.
This is like.
Well, there's still be a crazy TikTok, huh?
Bam. Alright, so we're about to, where are you at? Come on. Oh. We're about to walk around and start judging. I take bribes.
You?
Hey,
take credit cards?
I take Venmo, Apple Pay, credit card. Cash App, yeah. I got it. JW Montoya. Alright. I don't see a Hummer there. Oh, I swear I just saw it. What are you talking about? I only see the wheels now and the tires. I mean, they're good wheels and tires. What do you think? Like yours?
My buddy right here, traffic jams.
You think like a 7 for the? I mean, it's just some floating wheels. What do you think? Some floating wheels. I mean, we don't see anything.
Headlights with the honeycomb. We have a 6.2 in it. Custom interior. We got the actual Starlight headliner. We got the actual custom bed trim, the custom kit for the wings, sunroof, body kit custom made. We even got in the back of the bed, the bird in the back of the bed, and we're hauling the actual beer that he was hauling in the movie, Coors beer. So we got the Coors case today.
Nice.
I'm guessing you like that movie or something, huh? I'm guessing you like that movie or something, that show.
Well, this is dedicated to Jay Reed, the snowman.
Yeah.
Because Burt Reynolds always got everything.
Yep.
So this is the first truck ever made dedicated to him.
Okay.
And hopefully General Motors will be picking it up next month if they actually like it.
You said the bird flows or
Yeah,
lights
it literally
up?
lights up. Let me see what it looks like.
Oh, so it's like a LED strip in it.
Put the birds for us. Yeah, apparently this bird lights up on top.
What?
I guess we just can't see it because it's so
Yeah, I was about to
bright.
say, it looks a little brighter.
Yeah, see this?
Big one.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah,
That's sick.
that's pretty cool. Yeah.
Oh, I bet that looks sick at night.
Yes.
Oh,
That's a UFO at night.
dang. You got rock lights or anything like that? Underglow?
We custom made it. You know what I'm saying? Fabricated. And you see we even made it to the point where you do cut the lights off, you still have all the actual codes inside the actual decal.
Nice. This thing is sick.
Yeah, that's sick. Yeah.
Okay, this is definitely going to win something. This is definitely going to win something.
I mean, dude, when you put this much work into something that's brand new. I mean, seriously, this thing ain't
Alex's
been out
butt.
for 6 months.
So 10s all the way.
So, I mean, look at the interior on this too.
Well, mine's door to the whole stuff, but
Wouldn't be a abandoned truck if you didn't have this here.
Oh, nice.
Now you gotta talk to us. So, that's my CV.
Dude, look at the attention to detail on this.
even got the Pontiac.
Oh, the stars. Got the headliner, light up headliner.
Oh my god, that's sick.
We even got custom umbrellas made for the actual vehicle. You see right there, pull it out right there at the bottom.
Is it this?
Not down in the bottom.
Down the bottom right.
That's what I'm saying.
Where? Oh, umbrella. Oh, nice. That's sick.
They're saying it's my thing, but I can't lie.
10s all the way. Okay.
Can't lie, you got screens in the back of the seat.
Screens in the back of the seat?
Yeah.
Nice.
That zip over and everything, dude. That's custom, dude.
And what else?
Hey, if it's nighttime, the hood will light up.
So he got an acrylic piece, light up, custom, painted,
Oh, nice. That's sick.
and it looks factory. It looks factory as hell.
Dude, just look at this. Now this truck is like clean.
What number is it though? Is it in it?
I think it's in there. This truck is like the cleanest truck here. I want to say probably one of my favorites, just because you know how I feel about 2020.
I know how you feel about Duramax in general. Wheels and tires. Oh, that's sick.
Look at it.
Hey, fam, how's the bed? Is it comfortable? Squeaky or anything?
No, no squeaks. No squeaks. It's
okay.
Tempur-Pedic.
Oh, nice.
So this is louder than Horn Blaster?
It's like
He
Ford.
said it's the real deal offer truck.
Louder than horn blasters.
Yeah, don't be scratching up the man's truck.
Yeah, because this one has,
Train horns right here. Yeah, this is the real shit.
the valve is right here.
No, it's got the semi horns.
Yeah.
Horns. This ain't no Trent. No, no. What is it?
So y'all
Horn
might
Horn
want to,
blasters.
y'all might want to, what damage?
All right, he said we might want to back up.
Y'all might want to.
Is that loud?
He's got the air for to come out of.
Is it that loud? Oh my god! Okay, it's a little loud.
Jeez.
He don't even hold it all the way, so he just.
Cam just won Rock Light, and that's one thing he wanted to win. What'd you get?
Got me a hook, man.
Guys, so at the show we have this 2020 Duramax. He is from Atlanta, Georgia. I want to say, you guys know how I feel about 2020 Duramaxes, or really Duramaxes in general. This is like one of my dream trucks, I would say. The guys at Roadshow Tires, they built it. Roadshow, there you go. They're in Atlanta too, so check them out. Check us out. So he's the builder, so he knows everything about this truck, so he's gonna do a full walk around video of it.
Okay, so this is our friend Sal's 2020. We've done at this point wheels, tires, 9-inch lid. So we've done 2614 American Forces, full throttle suspension kit with the Fox dual reservoir shocks. It's got calipers painted yellow. It's got amp steps we did on there. Color matched most of the front end parts and trims.
Was this
we didn't do a lot of, we did most of the suspension work. This was tinted, I believe. We didn't do that.
Okay.
So we did like the lift, we did the wheels, tires, the steps. But he's got a bunch of work done at this point, man, and he's not stopping. He's like, every day he's got a new mod he wants to get done. We've actually got a set of floating American Forest caps on the way. So those will be on at our meet coming up in September 13th.
Okay.
And what else has it got? We've got the Gen Y hitch on the back. We've got the Gen Y hitch. Our guys at RTPs helped us powder coat that. We've got tint on the tail lights as well. What else am I missing? He's got the Starlight headliner.
Oh, that is sweet. Denali.
Yeah, you don't see that on the
No, I don't. Nope, definitely not.
Yeah, you
That's
see it
sweet.
better on the back, I'm sure.
Oh, that's awesome. Do y'all do the sound system as well?
Nah, I believe it was traffic jams.
Okay.
They did the box, custom box, and some other stuff he got done there.
That's
They
cool.
did most of the painting on the flares and the light or the mirrors. But as of now, that's about it. You know, he's also got rock lights, of course, the wheel rings.
Make sure to go check out Roadshow Tires. Roadshow Tires, right?
Yeah, Roadshow Tires in Marietta.
Yeah, they did more than just tires.
Oh yeah,
Obviously.
wheels, tires, lifts, accessories. That's our thing.
Sweet. Appreciate it.
Thank you, brother. Nice talking.
Yeah, thank you. So we have our buddy Sal right here. This truck is perfect, buddy. It's perfect. And he's trying to make it big in Georgia. He's definitely doing that. You're making a pretty big statement here with changing the game here in Georgia. And yeah, they're all my fans right there. Hey, fans! Woo! Nice. That's more than me. Nice. Oh yeah, make sure to follow Sal if you guys want to. 2020 Denali HD on Instagram.
Hey, wait, I got Instagram too, man.
You got Instagram?
Yes,
All
sir.
Make sure to
Follow
follow
me on
him too.
Instagram.
And Roadshow.
Hey, Delados too.
Oh, does he have an Instagram? Where's his Instagram?
Which one you want? Grab one.
Grab one? Yeah. You sure?
Yeah, I got you.
All right, thank you. Sal has his Duramax, right? 2020, and he still watches my videos.
You have to.
Maybe we'll help him with some performance upgrades.
There you go. That's next.
Yeah, that's next. Maybe a Banks Derringer. If you do a Banks Derringer, I'll do a video on it.
Okay, definitely. We'll do it.
All right, stay tuned if you guys want to do. If you guys want to see a Banks Derringer video on Sal's 2020 Duramax.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, I mean we're only about what, hour and a half, 2 hours away from each other. That's nothing. So just send me a text or a message, and we'll meet up.
Okay, perfect.